Public notice. Assistance schemes administered by the Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Labour. The Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Labour hereby notifies the public and members of the businesses community about the assistance schemes that are administered by the Ministry for the purpose of industry development and investment promotion. Purpose of assistance schemes and eligibility criteria. 1. Duty concession schemes for tourism, manufacturing, agriculture and fisheries development. A support program to encourage the developments of the tourism, manufacturing, agricultural, and fisheries industries through exempting import duties on building and construction materials, furnishings, and raw materials imported for use by approved qualifying projects under the Customs Development Projects Regulations 2010. Tourism sector. In order to be eligible for the assistance, applicants must be a holder of a current business license and are VAGST registered. Includes only properly built and fully furnished motels, hotels, and resorts providing short-term tourist accommodations. Consideration of assistance for new and existing developments. Existing operators, consideration will only be given if the expansion consists of no less than 4 rooms or 2 self-contained units. New developments, consideration will be accorded to projects that intend to construct 12 or more properly built rooms or units. The new development project has a capital investment value of at least 1 million tala. Manufacturing sector. In order to be eligible for this assistance, applicants must be a holder of a current business license and are VAGST registered. Has a principal objective of manufacturing products for the domestic and international markets. Agriculture sector. In order to be eligible for this assistance, applicants must be a holder of a current business license. Has a principal objective to produce agricultural produce for markets outside of Samoa. Fisheries sector. In order to be eligible for this assistance, applicants must be a holder of a current business license. Has a principal objective to produce fish or carry out fish processing for domestic and international markets. Must have a licensed fishing vessel under the Fisheries Management Act 2016. 2. Code 121 Duty Exemption Scheme. A scheme that provides duty exemption assistance on imported raw materials to further develop domestic businesses include commercial poultry farmers, commercial manufacturers of agricultural products, commercial handicraft manufacturers, and commercial ele garment manufacturers to effectively manufacture quality, competitive products for both the domestic and international markets. For applicants to be eligible, they must present a current business license and are VAGST registered. The applicants must also have an annual turnover equivalent to or more than 130,000 Samoan tala. Must first register with MSIL under the category ele and garment manufacturers. If applying under this category, before a formal application is considered by the Ministry. Provide evidence of exports, main markets of exports, and value of exports on a yearly basis. 3. Duty Concession Scheme for the Aviation Development Scheme. A government support program aimed at further encouraging the developments of aviation transport for small aircraft carriers under the Customs Aviation Transport Development Regulations 2012. For applicants to become eligible, their projects must be beneficial to the economy of Samoa and be in the public interest. The project is new to Samoa and must establish a new travel route or re-establish an old route no longer serviced by air transport provider. The applicant has no other aviation transport operation in any other country. For more information about these assistance schemes, please contact the Industry Development and Investment Promotion Division of the Ministry on the telephone numbers 20441, 20442, 32548 or visit us at level 4 of the ACC building. Whaafitai, Pulotu Lyndon Chuling, Chief Executive Officer.